Good morning, Ezequiel. Today we're going to be working on your IEP goals 1 and number 2. Let's go ahead and read our goal. Goal number 1. By the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, model, and gestural ASL prompts, Ezequiel will increase vocabulary comprehension skills by identifying the function of 7 common objects. For example, a remote, a chair, hat, book, shampoo, pencil, toothbrush, and toothpaste 70% of the time. Let's go ahead and begin, Ezequiel. So this is what we're working on today. Look at those beautiful pictures. So this is a hat. Can you say hat? Look at the boys wearing a hat. This little boy's wearing a hat. This little boy's wearing a hat. This little boy is wearing a hat. And this one is also wearing a hat. And this is very similar or exactly the same like his friend. So this is hat, Ezequiel, hat. Now let's look at the next picture. We have the word in the picture book. Can you say book? This is a book. We read books so we can learn. Look at the little boy. He is happy. He is reading a book. So we have hat and book. So let's start working on goal number 2. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, with the use of assistive technology and when given visual, verbal, model, and hand-over-hand prompts, Ezequiel will be able to engage in pre-reading and reading-related activities with 70% accuracy. Let's go to our worksheet. So today we're working on story number 2, Ezequiel. Let's go ahead and begin reading. Ari was going fishing. He found his fishing pole. Then he picked up his box. Clover watched Ari. She wagged her tail fast. Clover was Ari's dog. She liked to go fishing with Ari. Let's go, Clover, said Ari. Clover put on her hat. I'm ready, Clover said. Let's look at our questions, Ezequiel. Question number 1. Where was Ari going? A, to the store. B, fishing. C, his house. So where was Ari going, Ezequiel? Let's go back. Let's look at our first sentence. Ari was going fishing. So we went back to find our answer. Ari was going fishing. Good job. Question number 2. What can a dog really do? A dog can watch a boy. B, a dog can put on a hat. Or C, a dog can talk like a person. Can a dog really talk, Ezequiel? No, they only bark. So can we eliminate letter C? Yes, we can eliminate letter C. Can a dog put on a hat? Not quite. So we can eliminate letter B. But can a dog watch a boy? Definitely, Ezequiel. Yes, so your answer is letter A. Look at question number 3. Which one is true about Ari? A, Ari likes to fish. B, Ari has a pet horse. C, Ari can wag his tail. Now remember, what was Ari doing in the story? He likes to fish. Good job. Look at question number 4, boys and girls. What was Clover wearing on his head? A hat. B, gloves. Or C, socks. He was wearing a hat. Whenever you're done, Ezequiel, have your parents upload a picture to Teams. Have a great day.